to watch this video, everyone. To make this delicious edible candy corn slime, you're gonna need some simple ingredients. First, you're gonna need candy corn, so perfect for Halloween, you guys. So grab about 1 cup of candy corn, and then you're gonna need 1 cup of marshmallows. And the fresher they are, the better your slime will be. You're gonna need coconut oil, and you'll need about 1/4 cup of icing sugar and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Okay, so we're going to make this on the stove top today, and you're going to start by putting 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the pot, and then you're going to pour 1 cup of marshmallows in there. And I'm just stirring it up to ensure that the marshmallows get coated with the oil. Then you're going to pour 1 cup of candy corn in there. This does take about 10 minutes to do, and you want to make sure that you stir it the whole time, as it does melt the whole time. My temperature was about medium, low-ish, and just stirring the whole time. Okay, so 10 short minutes later, my candy corn and marshmallows are melted, and I'm really happy with how this is looking. Yum, yum, yum. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let this cool off, and you're gonna prep the plate that you're gonna put the slime on. And the reason why we do this is because your slime will stick to your plate, and you actually don't want that, right? So you're gonna coat it with icing sugar, and I didn't quite use the full 1/4 cup, but I'm just gonna spread it out so that the whole plate is covered. And then you're gonna pour your 1/4 cup of cornstarch on and just mix them together. Next, you're going to grab your slime. Now, with the candy corn, the slime actually is going to be thicker than some other edible slimes that I've made. So this is still pretty hot, and I ended up using this spatula quite a bit to mix it. And even when I thought it was cooled on, it actually retained its heat quite a bit, which I've never felt with any other slime that I've made. So you want to just be careful with that, so it will stay warm for a long time. So what we're going to do now is fold in the cornstarch and icing sugar like I'm doing here, and just again be careful with the temperature because it is still quite warm. So folding it in, and then we will gradually work towards doing this with our hands. Okay, so I start doing it with my hands, but you can see that I keep dropping it because it's actually still really hot, and I thought I cooled it off for a long time. So again, something about the candy corn makes it retain its heat, so just again be careful. So here we have our slime, and the final touch that I always think is the best part is to get about 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to dip our slime in it to make it shiny again. Thanks so much for watching this video, you guys, and the best part about this video is that the slime is totally edible, and of course it's delicious because it's made out of candy corn. So make sure you guys keep coming back and watching our videos, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe.